The significantly enhanced MEP System Navigator in DDS-CAD 18 Mechanical and Plumbing provides you with an optimal overview of your pipe and duct systems and allows you to adjust the system quickly and easily. The entire system is now displayed in a detailed tree structure with all the substrings components including predefined information. Separate dialogues show detailed information about the system or the selected substring with design criteria and calculation results and the selected component's object properties. Substrings and components that are selected in the System Navigator are displayed directly in 2D or 3D. For a pipe or duct segment selected in the workspace, the corresponding substring can also be located directly in the System Navigator. The system, substring, and component description displayed in the tree structure can be configured according to your individual needs. For example, in addition to the system name, calculation results such as load and mass flow can be displayed. The System Navigator offers you remarkable ease of work and better management in large projects. For example, substrings can be locked and sized directly in the tree structure after a change in the pipe and duct size, and are therefore excluded from recalculation of the system. In the System Navigator, you can also directly navigate to the critical path of a heating, cooling, ventilation, or potable water system. Controlling your model with the comprehensive System Navigator through a centralized and functional interface for integrated calculations will significantly improve your work process.